So, you've got a lot of things to tell the world, and they all seem very interesting, at least to you. But narrative is at its most powerful when it is singular. Therefore, as you've heard so far with the ABT framework, we have 3 forces in narrative, 2 main audiences, but narrative is at its most powerful with the number 1. Here's a short movie clip to help convey that.
Do you know what the secret of life is?
No, what?
This.
Your finger?
One thing. Just one thing. You stick to that and everything else don't mean shit.
That's great, but what's the one thing?
That's what you gotta figure out.
There's an old saying that the death of one person is a tragedy, but the death of a million is a statistic. When numbers get large, people lose feeling, and that makes it hard for people to grasp things. This can be a problem for scientists. We love large numbers. We love large sample sizes. But we dismiss a sample size of 1 as an anecdote. That's a lot of why scientists have problems with communications at times. But in the end, remember what Jack Palance said in that clip from that movie? You need to boil down your message to that one thing.